is that you, your sister, and two other neighbors, them are male. Them are M-A-L-E, male. M-A-L-E, yeah, male. When you go out that door, our party, but they keep it. So two women, your sister with two men. Men, M-A-N. When you go out that door. But I don't like how that sound pumpkin. Two women, okay, would say three women and one man. I don't like that at all. Pumpkin, I don't like that. I'm coming 4 o'clock. So I kind of party that so a police station and them thing that they run this up. Party not supposed to keep so late around them places still in a pumpkin. I don't understand what I'm going. Pumpkin, listen to me, man. You can't tell me them fooling this shit in a pumpkin. When me and my friend they go out, you know, if me and my friend and two women, you know, one of them women they have for me and one of them my friend. I saw me know he come down, two men. I don't know. I just a friend them be. That I tell me just a friend them be. So that's why I tell her say, yo, me I go look for you last night. They tell me say, oh, it's time to leave me now if you come on the road them time of night. They can you have plans with two M-E-N. Two men? Okay. So I go on. Me say what go on. Me say what go on. So what time I come live, darling? I get up and show one thing and you still feel so no or when? So I tell me say pumpkin, I still feel tired. I still feel tired. Me there for life, man. Me there. Me mute. They know they not hear me mute, man. Me mute. Nobody not hear me, man. Yeah, man. They me mute. Me mute, man. Me mute. Nobody not hear me. Yeah, man. Talk to me. Say pumpkin, so I don't life. Me I go make a already complaint to your mom here. I tell your mom say you go to two men. I mean not like that. Yeah, cause me don't know two women, two men. Me don't know what go on. Something could have gone. Touching some cursing, hugging, dancing. Remember when you under your magnum and a pumpkin, anything possible? Yes, man. So me don't know if nobody get no peace or no dance or isn't it? Bagare can go on. So, yeah, if you talk to me pumpkin and I understand car, I know me eat it, you know. Me head mad. Yeah, man, me head mad, man. Where mommy there? Mommy there near? Me or she in the background, call her. Call mommy. Yeah, give mommy a phone. Yeah. Mommy, good morning. You good? You know, say, yeah, man, me here, so she go last night with two M-E-N, man. You see me? So, me don't know of that. She never tell me about that and thing, mommy. You know what I say? Hey, near a party and thing. Oh, she don't tell me about that, because when she tell me, say, she and her sister with two men, you know, two M-E-N. She never tell me of that, you know. She tell me, say, she did a gosh bed. So when me find out now, say she gone out with two M-E-N, me kind of surprised because me never authorized that. Me never authorized that, man, mommy, you see me? Yeah. No, go on. Mommy, I pick up in that time. Yeah, mommy. Yeah. But you know, you did it. No, you never did it. So mommy, you don't know you don't go on then, man. Anything could have gone. At what time she come in, mommy? To 5? So she said 4. She said, girl. Yeah. Come in to 5. Yeah. Somebody there call me, I give one call. Yeah. 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 Alright, mommy. I go come round there with me done. I go come round. What me doing? I come round there. Alright. So wait, mommy. Last question before you go. Yeah, man. I'm good, man. Last question before you go. Them the two MEN men there. A big man. They big. Or they a big of them or a too big of them. Big man. Yeah. Yeah. So about what years up? If me can ask. 30. Alright. Be good man. Give a pumpkin phone. That moment later, yeah? You got yourself. Think good man. Pumpkin. You know what them say two big man that party last night they go talk about two little penny pumpkin. You take me for clown? Take me for clown, no? So I go on. The good man. The good man. No, like me, but now hear me. Give me one. Yeah. So you come in tired, want sleep. Yeah, them a bunny and baiting can't wake up, see that them say I go get more rest. Me so I go on. Alright. Get the rest, man. Me good man. You know I'm gonna come over here, because I'm not going to argue. I'm not play no match with them. I'm not play no match with them, good man. You think? Later. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is oh, this is alright, chatty, good. I'm playing no match with Bunkin too. So I go on. Good man. Quite well on there. I have one dog I live over there. I'm short up with that. Hold on there. You can't get to the dog them time. Well, I'm trying to short up with that first. So I'm going. If you daddy guy party. Father. Yeah, bro, where that one? Yeah, my dog, man, where you going? Yo, you know about some part, let me link up on. You know about some part you give in a place last night? Yeah. Are you there, party? See you go? Are you alright, man? I call him, man. Hey. So, yo, it's Bunkin did it. It's Bunkin. Yeah, dog. Pumpkin, you know, from a link, you want a pumpkin. She and her sister, you see? Yeah. So, you know, man. You know, man. Yeah. 3 man. So, you know them? I force you to see them. Eh? So, what I say? Did she share you one of them a dance? Eh? Head top? What I said to me, bro? You never know, so she could dance? I never know either. I force me to hear of this. Yeah, man, she tell me she and her sister they put with 2 friends, you know, so you know, bro, me have to watch her, you know, cause you see me? Yeah. A 3 man, I said, look, 3 of them. And two woman, she and her sister, you see. Yeah. And one next friend. Who are they? One girl. Oh, but she never tell me about the third friend. Oh, she move on. Oh, then you see they watch them do. Yeah, I can't remember me pay you all the 20 grand for watch her for me, you know, so I have to link you, bro, and thing, you see me? So, yes, go on, break it down for me. You see 3 MEN, men. Yeah, men as in man. Yeah, me Africa, men as in man. And G as in gorilla. Confirm. Yeah. Alright. And you see, my pumpkin as in PUNKIM, the dance power of the MEN. So much time I see she dance for them. 2 times. 2 times. You see my pumpkin, a dance power man. 2 times. Voila. No, it's a Spanish family. Voila. You see my pumpkin, a dance power man, like so. 2 times. Yeah. Oh, tell her she and 2 man go on. They don't dance. No go on. You just go there and watch the party and thing and a bag of rain and tea. You see me? You see she go up on all the head top too. Go up on all the head top too. So everything they go on. Head top and be a thing. You good man, my boy, man. I'm to you, bro. Me not feel no way, man. Me not feel no way. Oh, me feel, bro. Bro, I mean, I'm feel that way. No, man, I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Yeah, I just party, man. Then they enjoy themselves and thing. Where's the one? On the party, don't you see shit too? What? Yeah, you know what? I don't want to hear them. Just left away. They good. He good. He good, man. Left away. He good, man. Just make me move in at it, bro. You know? He good, man. He good, man, my boy, man. Respects it. You see me? Alright. Big up yourself. Head up and be a thing, alright. Good man, big up my bro. Big up it. Good man, chat. I don't feel no way still. I don't feel no way. You good, chat. You good. Team, boy up for me. Everybody boy up. You good man, my team. I don't feel no way. Team, I come back. I don't feel no way. Team, you good man. I don't feel no way. Good man. I feel no way, man. Team bought up. You good man. You good man. Team, everybody bought up for me, please. I understand, I say go. I understand, chat, I say go. I understand. 2 weeks closed. Salary is due. I say go. I understand. go try to clear my mind. I go try to clear my mind. Everything is all good. You see? When she come on, we finish discuss it. So, wanna go here what go on? Me no feel now yeah. Me used to bun by now. Yeah man, me used to bun by now. I say, me no bun at in a but. So, at least they ain't no physical, isn't me? But dancing can't kill me. But dancing can't kill my man. Team, everybody pour it up for me. Team, everybody pour it up for me. Please and thank you. I used to give in the earth. Yes, me used to them things, man. Me used to heartbreak, you see me? Yeah, I gotta show me back here. Yeah. I go, I see him back. Yes, God. You see what? It's when she going to want car. Yeah.